Learn about 140 essential gas short form used in labs, industries, and daily life. From hydrogen and oxygen to many surprising gases, this video explains each short form in a simple and easy way, perfect for students, science lovers, and safety professionals. Learn the universal language of gases and short form that surround us every day.
Hydrogen, helium, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, neon, krypton, xenon, radon, methane, propane, butane, ethane, acetylene, ammonia, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, ozone. Keep watching. Some of the most dangerous and fascinating gases are coming up next. Nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen chloride, phosgene, phosphine, arsine, silane, germane, stibine, boron trifluoride, sulfur hexafluoride, nitric oxide, dinitrogen tetroxide, chlorine dioxide, ethylene, propylene, butadiene, vinyl chloride, formaldehyde, methanol vapor, ethylene oxide, dimethyl ether,
Bromine monochloride, chlorine monofluoride, disulfur monoxide, germanium tetrafluoride.
Wait till you see some of the rarest industrial gases on this list.
Cyclopropane, neon tetrafluoride, perfluorobutane,
perfluoroisobutylene, hydrogen cyanide, cyanogen. Carbon disulfide. Carbonyl sulfide. Dichlorosilane. Trichlorosilane. Silicon tetrafluoride. Borane. Diborane. Hydrogen bromide. Hydrogen iodide. Nitrosyl chloride. Nitrogen trifluoride. Phosphorus trichloride vapor. Phosphorus pentachloride vapor. Sulfur trioxide. Thionyl chloride vapor. Sulfuryl chloride. Tungsten hexafluoride. Molybdenum hexafluoride. Uranium hexafluoride.
You won't believe how many of these gases have surprising everyday uses.
Tetrafluoromethane. Hexafluoroethane. Octafluoropropane. Dichlorodifluoromethane. Trichlorofluoromethane. The next ones are used in cutting-edge technology you use every day. Bromotrifluoromethane. Chlorotrifluoromethane. Deuterium. Tritium. Methyl chloride. Methyl bromide. Methyl iodide. Dimethylamine. Trimethylamine. Ethylamine. Methylamine. Allyl chloride. Acrylonitrile. Vinyl acetate. Acroline. Methyl mercaptan. Ethyl mercaptan. Dimethyl sulfide. Carbon tetrachloride. Dichloromethane. Chloroform. Trichloroethylene. Perchloroethylene. Benzene vapor. Toluene vapor. Almost there. The most exotic gases are coming up right now. Xylene vapor. Styrene vapor. Phenol vapor. Aniline vapor. Pyridine vapor. Furan vapor. Thiophene vapor. Acetone vapor. Methyl ethyl ketone. Tetrahydrofuran. Dioxane vapor. Ethylene glycol vapor. Propylene oxide. Epichlorohydrin.
Allylamine.
Hydrazine. Monomethylhydrazine. Tetrafluorohydrazine. Chlorine trifluoride.
Bromine Pentafluoride. Iodine Pentafluoride.
Oxygen difluoride. Disulfur decafluoride. Selenium hexafluoride. Tellurium hexafluoride. Arsenic pentafluoride. Antimony pentafluoride. Bismuth pentafluoride. Rhenium hexafluoride. Osmium tetroxide. Ruthenium tetroxide. Xenon difluoride. Xenon tetrafluoride. Krypton difluoride. Radon difluoride. Nitrogen pentoxide.
That's a wrap on 140 important gas short forms. Which one surprised you most? Comment below, like this video, subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.